the middle of the North Sea, since 2008 lies Alpha Ventus, the first German offshore wind park. It supplies 50,000 households with electricity. Jointly responsible for building it was HOCHTIEF, a pioneering project in utilizing offshore wind technology and one of many HOCHTIEF contributions to solving major tasks facing our society. Technical innovations and structural milestones. For 140 years, HOCHTIEF has been helping to shape living environments. As early as in its first international construction contract, building the granaries in the port of Genoa in 1899, it used reinforced concrete, considered revolutionary at the time. When it was opened in 1930, the Echelsbach Bridge, erected in just 10 months, had the longest main span of any reinforced concrete bridge in Germany, 130 meters. For the 50-kilometer-long Albert Canal in Belgium, HOCHTIEF submitted alternative proposals, which halved the construction period, enabling the new Liège to Antwerp waterway to be opened in 1934 after just 4.5 years. In the 1960s, HOCHTIEF earned world renown through a rescue mission in Egypt to protect the rock temples of Abu Simbel from the rising waters of the Nile. The company's specialists cut the temples into more than 1,000 blocks, which they then reassembled on a sheltered site. A world cultural monument had been saved. Elsewhere, HOCHTIEF created key connections, such as the suspension bridge over the Bosporus in Istanbul, which since 1974 has linked Europe and Asia. 20 years later came the bridge over the Great Belt in Denmark. With a free span of over 1,600 meters, this suspension bridge is one of the most breathtaking sights in the world. Another spectacular structure, Jeddah Airport in Saudi Arabia, where HOCHTIEF built 4 terminals on a turnkey basis. The Hajj Terminal, with its tent roof architecture, enclosed the biggest covered area in the world. An architectural milestone erected by HOCHTIEF was the Trade Fair Tower in Frankfurt. Almost 256 meters in height, in the 1990s, it was the tallest skyscraper in Europe. The building site workspace was only the size of 2 tennis courts. So finishing the project on schedule called for sophisticated logistics. HOCHTIEF subsidiary Turner also knows all about skyscrapers. It constructs high-rises all over the world and is an industry pioneer in environment-friendly green buildings, like the Visionaire in New York. Turner has also been involved in the world's tallest buildings, such as the 508-meter-high Taipei 101 in Taiwan and the 828-meter-tall Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Innovative projects are also realized by HOCHTIEF's Australian participating interest, Leighton. As the world's biggest contract miner, it produces more than 100 million tons of iron ore and 100 million tons of coal a year. For decades, HOCHTIEF has also been among the best in the field of transport infrastructure. With new contractual models like public-private partnerships, the group builds new transport routes all over the globe. Part of the A4 highway in Thuringia, for instance. The contract includes design, financing, construction, and operation of the new road. Subsidiary Flatiron in the USA also builds roads, bridges, and railroads. The 10-lane Portman Bridge is 50 meters wide, making it one of the world's broadest cable-stayed bridges. In the desert of Qatar, HOCHTIEF created Barwa Commercial Avenue, an 8.5-kilometer-long shopping mall and business center. Energy supply, mobility, worlds to work in and live in. In all these fields, HOCHTIEF has been making important contributions for 140 years. The HOCHTIEF team today comprises almost 80,000 employees all over the world. Their competence and commitment form the group's most vital asset. As one of the largest infrastructure providers anywhere on Earth, the company looks ahead. HOCHTIEF has written history and will continue to do so in the future too.